Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to check your order history on Amazon. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Amazon app and go to the bottom of the screen. Tap on the second option from the left, which is your user or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. Once you're on the profile page, look at the top of the screen for the Orders option. Tap on it to view your order history. From here, you can scroll through your previous orders. If you're looking for something specific, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen to find it. You can also apply filters on the right side to narrow down your search based on various criteria. It's really that simple. Whether you're trying to remember when you made a purchase or just want to check on the status of an order, the process is straightforward. So that's basically how you can check your order history on Amazon. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.